To my viewers, today's topic is about perfect square trinomials. This maths is intended for grade 9. I have here number 1, x squared plus 4x plus 4. We know that the factors of x squared is x times x. And how about the last term? This is 2 times 2. As we notice that in the first term, we have the same factors, x times x, and then the last term is 2 times 2. So we call this one as perfect square. Okay? So to factor this one, so since the operation is addition, so all the factors is plus. Just copy the first factor of x squared, and then the second also. Then factors of 4. So you have 2, and then this will be 2. Or this, to write this in simplest form, x plus 2 squared, because there are 2 factors, the same. So how about number 2? Factors of the first term should be t times t. And then how about 36? 6 times 6. Number 2 is the same with number 1 because the operation is addition. So I have here, this will be plus, and then this will be plus also. For the first term, this is t, then t also for the second factor. Then 6, then 6. So this will be t plus 6 squared. How about number 3? Factors of x squared is x times x. Then 25 is 5 times 5. So again, the operation is addition, so the sign must be plus. So x will be here, and then next factor will be x also. Then copy 5, and also in here. So to write in the simplest form, this will be x plus 5 squared. Now let's move to number 4. 4, x squared minus 16x plus 64. So factors of x squared, we have x times x. Then how about 64? 8 times 8. So take note, the middle term of the expression is having negative, and then the last term is having positive. So therefore, the factors are all negative or subtraction. So copy the first, and then copy also the second. Then 8, 8, or simplest form is x minus 8 squared. Excuse me. This one is h squared. Factors is h times h. Then this one is 7 times 7. Again, the same with number 4. The middle term is subtraction, and then the last term is addition. So therefore, the factors are all subtraction or negative. So copy the first will be h, then the second will be h also, then 7. Then 7. So to write the simplest form, h minus 7 squared. Then the number 6. Factors are x and x. 81 is 9 and 9. Since the operation in number 6 are addition, so this will be x, this will be plus, x also in here, and then 9, 9, or this will be x plus 9 squared. Okay, number 7. Number 7, t squared plus 2 over 3 t plus 1 over 9. Take note, the given are in fraction form, but we don't worry about that fraction because that's perfect square. So factors of t squared are t and t. Then this one is 1/3 times 1/3. Since this is addition, so the factors are all addition also. So copy the first t, second t, then 1/3. Then this also 1/3. So to write simplest form, this will be t plus 1/3 squared. So that's number 7. Now number 8. R squared minus 7r plus 49 over 4. Factors of r squared is r times r. 49 over 4, this is 7 over 4 times 7 over 4. So factors are, take note, the middle term is negative and then the last term is positive. So this will be r minus 7 over 4 and then r also 7 minus 4. 7 over 4 I mean. So to write simplest form, r minus 7 over 4 squared. So that's number 8. Number 9. S squared plus 3 over 4 s plus 9 over 64. Factors, s times s. This one is 3 over 8 times 3 over 8. Since the operation is addition, so this will be plus. So copy the first factor of s, then second, then 3 over 8, then 3 over 8. So this will be s plus 3 over 8 squared. And then the last number, number 10. W squared minus 5w plus 25 over 4. Factors of w squared. We have w times w. How about 25 over 4? This is 5 over 2 times 5 over 2. So factors. By the way, the middle term is having negative sign. So all the factors are negative or minus. So this will be w, then the second will be w, then 5 over 2, then this will be 5 over 2. So this will be w minus 5 over 2 squared. So that's all for factoring.